Hi, my name is Shane McClintock. I'm a system design specialist at Thrasher, and I'm coming to you from my backyard in Bennington, Nebraska. You can see last week we had a record snowfall, and I wanted to bring a quick tip to homeowners who, like me, have a walkout basement. Now, it seems like when we have these record snowfalls, soon follow the snow melts. Now, one common call we get during those times from homeowners with walkout basements is water getting into the basement, specifically from underneath the walkout door. And usually that's because the back patio just hasn't been cleared. Your basement slab extends all the way underneath your walkout door, so it's actually exposed to the exterior. So if the back patio is not cleared and that snow is melting right on top of that slab, oftentimes it's got an easier pathway into the basement than out into the yard. So as much as I hate trudging around to the backyard and scooping the patio after I've spent some time scooping the driveway, a few extra minutes doing that can save some headache from water getting into your walkout basement. One other thing that you can check is also that the concrete is sloped away from the basement or the foundation. If it is not, it could be contributing to problems as well, and that's a pretty easy fix. Something that we can help you with is lifting and leveling sunken and unlevel concrete. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. Stay warm, and we'll talk to you next time.